going to Kung Fu tonight. I really love Kung Fu. I have a special Kung Fu uniform. There's different colored belts in Kung Fu. I have a white belt. My friend has a yellow and white one. One day I want to be a black belt. We have to tie our belts a special way. It takes a bit of practice. We get to do punches and kicks.
Your toes.
We train very, very hard. We always help each other. My favorite thing of all is the punches. I'm good at kicks too.
Your toes.
Our instructor tells us what to do. She's really nice too.
You're gonna do front hand, jab out, you're gonna pull it back in. You're gonna go jab, pull it back in.
For the kicks, we use the guard. We take turns using the guard. When we practice our punches, we use the mitts. You put it on your hand like this. I love coming to Kung Fu.